Welcome to my channel, The Way of Learning. Today's topic is antonyms, class 8. First one is famous. Opposite word is notorious. Second one is fat. Opposite word is thin. Number 3, failure. Opposite word is success. Number 4, fast. Opposite word is slow. Number 5, faithful. Opposite word is unfaithful. Number 6, fair. Opposite word is courage. Number 7, fertile. Opposite word is barren. Number 8, freedom. Opposite word is bondage or slavery. Number 9, friend. Opposite word is foe. Number 10, fresh. Opposite word is stale. Number 11, front. Opposite word is back. Number 12, forward. Opposite word is backward. Number 13, fortunate. Opposite word is unfortunate. Number 14, familiar. Opposite word is unknown. Number 15, fictitious. Opposite word is genuine. Number 16, following. Opposite word is preceding. Number 17, finally. Opposite word is initially. Number 18, gain. Opposite word is loss. Number 19, general. Opposite word is special. Number 20, gentle. Opposite word is rude or rough. Number 21, generous. Opposite word is mean. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe the channel. The next video is coming soon.